Go away. I'm so tired.
Assalamualaikum, how are you? Welcome to another tech news. Today we will review on Oneplus 9. So, I am Eektier, you are watching a ARZONE. Oneplus 9 released on 2021, April. Its body dimensions is 160 by 73.9 by 8.1 millimeters and body weight is 183 grams. You are finding its display size 6.55 inches and display resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. Operating system Android 11. Its CPU is octa-core 1x 2.84 GHz Cryo 680 and 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 680 and 4x 1.80 GHz Cryo 680. And chipset is Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5nm. Oneplus 9 internal storage are 128 GB or 256 GB and its RAM are 8 GB or 12 GB. So, our main topic is about its camera. And its back cameras are 48 megapixel in wide plus 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel in depth. In back camera you are finding 3 cameras. So, now we will talk about its front camera. Its front camera is 16 megapixel. Its battery capacity is 4500 mAh and charging 65 watts fast charging. Many people wants to buy their phones by its body color. If its body color are not good you don't buy. So, its body colors are winter mist, arctic sky, astral black. The buying link of this mobile is in description. Buy from the description. Oh, another thing I forget to tell you about its price. Its price in Bangladesh is 58,000 taka for 8 GB RAM and 128 ROM, 63,999 taka for 12 GB RAM and 256 ROM. How is the video? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to ARZONE. Thanks for watching. See you in another tech news.
আমাদের ইংলিশ টিউটোরিয়ালটি কেমন লেগেছে অবশ্যই কমেন্টসে বলবেন আর একটি লাইক করবেন ভিডিওটি। তাহলে দেখা হচ্ছে পরের কোনো ভিডিওতে।